Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to tell about the Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is one of the saltiest water body on earth, with almost 10 times more salt than ordinary seawater. In fact, it's estimated that in the whole world of Dead Sea there is about 34 billion tons of salt. It's a popular destination for treating skin problems. Alongside being incredibly salty, the Dead Sea is famous for being at the lowest point on the earth. Do you know the science behind the Dead Sea? As the Dead Sea is the saltiest water body, it has so much salt that even if a person who does not know how to swim can easily float on it because of its natural buoyancy. Its surface measures around 423 meters below sea level. Now I am going to tell where is Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is between Israel and Jordan in southwestern Asia. Its eastern shore belongs to Jordan and the southern half of its western shore belongs to Israel. Hope you all like this video. If you feel our video is informative, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for further notifications. And also don't forget to share your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.